Hello, it's Bruce Profits back again with another video. This one is titled Risk Management. Again, I have 8 years of trading experience, 4 years studying ICT, and I'm currently a full-time trader. None of this would be possible without risk management. Even if you're not a fan of Inner Circle Trader or Smart Money Concepts, you can become a profitable trader just by managing risk, no matter the trading model. It is really up to you whether you make money or not just by managing risk. Now I'm going to lay some flat rules for those who want to start trading and learning with me. If you're going to be trading futures, I recommend a 25 to 50K account, right? That keeps the cost per an account low. It is between $17 to $50 depending on the company, between Apex and Topstep. I recommend staying within those two companies when you're starting out. So the overall initial cost is going to be kept low by going with a 25 or 50K account only. I don't care about what you were doing in the past. This is going to be the small fee you pay to learn how to trade this account and get used to seeing day trading size that can actually replace your job. Okay. Now, as far as risk management, you're only going to be using one contract to start, one micro. So if you're a failing trader who's here to change your ways and you've been using minis before, I want you to understand, if you're using minis, you will not be a student of mine. I will not be teaching you how to use mini contracts. We will only be using micros. Those who succeed around me will be using micros. Those using minis, you will do that on your own endeavor. I've made it this far, over 200K in payouts, simply by using micros. Of course, you can scale in to equal what a mini would equal, but in my perspective, we need to start with the smallest unit of risk in order to learn what true risk management is. Now, risk management is actually about framing the stop loss. What are you willing to lose? That is what risk management is about. When I go on the charts, the first thing I identify is where my stop loss would be if I were in the markets. I'm not looking for a far off target, crazy profit margin. I'm looking for where would the risk be framed? Where would the best stop loss be? Whenever you approach the charts, you need to think in terms of risk management. How can I manage my risk? Not how can I manage how much I can gain. Profits are unlimited, but the risk, we want that to be defined. If you cannot go on the chart and put a stop loss, you cannot be a student of mine. I cannot help you if you do not add a stop loss to your chart. Trading without a stop loss is gambling. Risk management spreads to all parts of your life. So number one, you have to have clean finances, meaning when you get paid, you need to first take care of paying yourself, whether that's investing, saving, as well. You need to take care of essentials before you splurge on any things that are not necessary, right? So you have to manage your funds from the initial paycheck. If you're still working a job, which most of you probably are, you need to manage the initial funds, right? So risk management starts with managing your initial funds, managing your time. If you're not studying enough, that's bad risk management. If you're over trading, that's bad risk management. If you're overworking and not giving yourself any room to grow your business or to be with family, that's bad risk management. So when I talk about risk management, I'm speaking in all aspects. Although we want to focus on being a really good trader and managing risk within trading, you have to manage risk outside of trading to truly get to that next level. So when we're talking about risk management, I want you to think time first. We're managing our time. We're managing our energy because we can't do anything without that energy. And then we can say, okay, we're managing our money. So if you can't manage your time and energy first, you'll never be able to manage your money. If you get poor rest and come to the market, you're going to end up giving away. A poor management of your energy, not having enough energy as in I overtraded so that I'm unable to come back later in, let's say, PM session to take advantage of the markets. That's poor risk management. You want to focus on quality risk management and not get caught up in over leveraging and gambling. This experience that you're going through is going to be strictly about risk management. Although we will be talking about how to enter trades, how to make money from trades, as long as you're 80% focused on the risk management aspect, you'll be able to make money even if you have a bad entry. Now, that's really the secret that no one ever talks about. With good risk management, you can have a terrible win rate, a terrible risk reward ratio, and make a good amount of money. Me personally, I'm a scalper, right? And my initial risk reward is always 1-to-1. Now, this next video is going to be about risk reward. This one was about risk management. Again, we're going to start with the smallest contract within futures. We're going to start with the smallest account size so you're not risking a lot of money investing in trading. I lost tens of thousands of dollars for years trying to fund big live accounts to make money in trading. What you want to do is keep the initial learning small and cheap by trading one account until you're successful. Now, in one of the first videos, I mentioned 3 levels, right? The first level is getting one account profitable. The second level would be getting, between 3 to 5 or about 5 accounts profitable so that you can see a larger profit based on the same work you've done with that one account. And then the third level would be 10 to 20 accounts. And at that point, you'd be able to possibly replace your job legitimately because you'll be making enough money to cover a quarter's worth of expenses. Obviously, if you raise your expenses, that might not be the case, but I want to give a clean framework, and everything is based off of risk management. If you don't know how to budget now, you won't know how to budget when you're actually making reasonable money, okay? So, risk management.